Whenever I see someone less fortunate than I, and let's face it, who isn't less fortunate than I, and my tender heart tends to start to bleed. And when someone needs a makeover, I simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. With all the money and you will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper boys when you talk to boys. Little ways to flirt and glance. I'll show you what shirts to wear, how to fix your hair. Everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right cohorts. You'll be good at sports. Not a slang you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I've chosen to become a analyst, you're an advisor. There's nobody wiser. Not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you be instead of jury who. Well, or there's nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. Lar. When I see depressing creatures with unprepossessing features, I remind them on their own behalf to think of celebrated hands of state or especially great communicators. Did they have brains and knowledge? Don't make me laugh. They're popular. Please. It's all about popular. It's not about aptitude. It's the way you be. So it's very sure to be very, very popular, like me. And though you protest your disinterest, I'm a destiny. You're gonna grin and bear it, popularity.